Euro NCAP do safety tests for cars. These are the safest cars for 2022. You might notice something about them. Executive class, Tesla Model S electric. Large family car, Hyundai IONIQ 6. Large off-road, Way Coffee 01. Pure electric, Tesla Model S. Small family car, Aura Funky Cat. Small off-road, Tesla Model Y. All but one of these cars is electric, and the odd one out is a hybrid. The other thing to notice is Tesla's insanely high results for driver assist. What does this mean for self-driving cars? Thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe to help improve the content. Details of other media are in the comments.